The weather shapes our lives. It dictates our clothing choices, influences our moods, and impacts our daily plans. Knowing the weather helps us prepare. Accurate forecasts keep us safe and comfortable. From a quick glance at our phones to detailed weather reports, we rely on forecasts constantly. Weather information is crucial for everyone, from individuals planning their day to industries like agriculture and aviation. As technology advances, so too does our ability to predict the weather with greater accuracy and personalization. Traditional weather forecasting relies on a complex system. Meteorologists gather data from weather stations, satellites, and radar. This data feeds into computer models that simulate atmospheric conditions. These models provide a general overview of weather patterns. However, they often lack precision at a local level. Forecasts might predict rain for an entire city, but the actual precipitation could vary significantly within a few miles. This lack of granularity can be frustrating. Imagine planning a picnic based on a forecast that predicts sunshine, only to be caught in an unexpected downpour because the model didn't capture a hyperlocal rain shower. Traditional forecasts, while valuable, have limitations in their ability to provide truly personalized weather information. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing weather forecasting. AI algorithms excel at analyzing vast datasets and identifying patterns that traditional models might miss. By incorporating real-time data from various sources, AI can provide hyper-local weather updates. Imagine receiving a notification that a brief but intense rain shower is expected to pass directly over your neighborhood in the next 15 minutes, while the surrounding areas remain dry. This level of precision is made possible by AI's ability to process data from sources like weather stations, traffic cameras, and even smartphone sensors. AI can also learn from past weather events and adjust its predictions accordingly. This means that the more data it analyzes, the more accurate its forecasts become. Section 4. The power of personalization, from picnics to flights. The benefits of AI-powered personalized weather forecasts are numerous. For individuals, these hyperlocal updates enable better planning of outdoor activities, commutes, and travel. Imagine knowing